There comes a moment, quite heavy, when your soul whispers, I have done everything I could, so why does it still hurt? You have followed every rule, you have shown up, stayed strong, kept going. You have carried your responsibility like sacred weight, but now you are tired, not just in your body, but in your spirit. And in that silence, when the world stops making sense, Krishna speaks. Not to the warrior, but to the perfect devotee. He speaks to you, the one who is exhausted from trying to hold it all together. He says, abandon all dharmas, surrender to me alone. I will deliver you from all sin. Do not fear. This isn't a command, it's a cosmic invitation. Krishna isn't asking you to quit your life, he is asking you to quit carrying it alone. You see, surrender isn't weakness, it's the moment you stop trying to control the ocean and start floating with it. It's the moment you realize you were never meant to do this alone. You were meant to trust. So if you are tired, if you are lost, if you have tried everything and still stuck, this verse is for you. Let go of the weight, let go of the outcome, let go of the illusion that you must fix everything. You are held, you are guided, you are loved. Surrender isn't the end, it's the beginning of being carried by something far greater than fear. Trust the dance and walk with the one who never left your side. And please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel.